Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to create a more softer glam look that you can dress up or dress down if you want to, depending on the lip. The eye is pretty simple. It's just like a brown, smoked out type of look. It's pretty light brown, so it's not like heavy on the makeup. So if you really wanted to wear this as an everyday look, you could just like nude or lip gloss, lip balm type of thing. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I created it, keep on watching. So today I'm going to prime my lids using Anastasia Beverly Hills Cool Beige foundation. I'm just going to put that on. And I'm just going to use a beauty blender to blend that out. I'm just going to set my eyes using Patrick's Powder by MAC on this Beau Belle E1 brush. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the new Patrick's Starr palette from MAC, and this is called Heat Stroke. And I'm going to start by going in my crease with this brown, using an Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 blending brush. So I'm going to go into my crease and outer V. And I'm just going to use this Morphe S12 brush to clean up any lines or if my shadow went a little bit too far. Next for my lid, I'm going to go in with this peachy color on a fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to go in circular motion to just blend that onto my lid. Now we're going to go back in with that brown and just blend it in a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with this Morphe S20 pencil brush and that dark brown and just warm up the bottom of my eye a little bit. I'm going to go back in with that clean brush and just blend this out. Next, I'm going to do a thin eyeliner with a wing, and I'm going to be using Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner. So for lashes, I'm going to go in with Iconic London's Flawless Lashes. They are all over the place. What the heck? They look like this. They're really nice and pretty natural, so. I'm going to move on to bronzer, and I'm going to be using, as always, Morphe Brushes Brontour in Frenemy on my rose gold brush by Morphe as well. Next for highlight, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced Lovelight in You Light Up My Life. And I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush. Even though it's disgusting looking, it still works good. with this Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush, I'm going to use that same highlight and highlight my brow bone. I'm also going to use my pinky to highlight my inner corner. So the last thing we're going to do for the eyes is put on mascara, and I'm going to be using Mally Beauty's Smoky Mama mascara. For blush, I'm going to be using Morphe's blush palette. This is the Warm Master 8W, and I'm going to be using Provocative. Now for lips, I'm going to line my lips with MAC's Aliyah lip pencil in Follow Your Heart red. I'm going to fill it in with Morphe's Mega Matte in Lover. So the last thing we're going to do is set our face, and I'm going to be using MAC's Fix Plus Gold Light. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like it and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Leave any comments or questions you guys have below, or any requests for other videos you want me to create, and I will listen. Trust me, please. But anyway, I hope I see you guys in my next video.